Hi, I'm Bill Lindstrom, here today to show you the new Kurt TL6 TriLock vise with CARVESMART. The TriLock vise is 3 vices in one. A small single station vise that's close to the operator, a double station vise, and a large single station vise. Let me first show you how to set the vise up in a single station. We first go back to the friction block or third hand and fully disengage it. This allows the screw assembly to be free and flow. We close this back jaw to meet contact with the center jaw. And at this point, we lock the friction block or third hand. And what this does is it just keeps the back jaw from opening up and allowing chips in there. Now what we have is a single station vise that's close to the operator. We have a right hand, left hand screw, so we have opposing forces, and that back jaw doesn't move. All right, I'm going to show you how to set it up in a double station vise. I've got 2 parts here, 2 blocks, one big, one small. I'm just showing you that it doesn't matter which station they're in. You can put the big part in the back or the big part in the front, doesn't matter. We first want to go back to the third hand or the friction block here and fully disengage that, and that allows this back jaw to come up, make contact with the parts. So at this point, we'd get them tight and back them off about 1/8 of an inch. We're going to lock down or tighten the third hand, and what this does is it makes it so that it preloads the first station, the front station, so that I can hold this down, get tension on it, and then focus on the back part, and then tighten that back part and tighten it down. And now we have that 1/8 of an inch of preload on the front station. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to convert it from the single station vise to the large single station vise. What we need to do is there's some protective plugs and caps here. We're going to remove these plugs. And then we've got these little caps because we're going to need to remove this center jaw. So I'm going to remove these protective caps. Now what we want to do is release the friction block so that it's loose, and take these center screws out of the center jaw. So we're going to pull these out, and now we can remove the center jaw. And now with this friction block loose, we can slide this whole screw assembly back to align with these back holes. Take these locating screws, put them here, get them lined up, and torque these down. We can put these plugs in these holes to keep chips out of them, just below flush. And then we can put these caps on these to protect these from chips getting in there. And now we've got a large single station vise that opens up all the way to just over 11 inches between the hard jaws, or just over 12 inches with the hard jaws in there. We've got opposing force here, so this back jaw is stationary, not tipping back, no back jaw deflection, and that's our large single station. Okay, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change jaws with the CARVESMART system. We've got a right hand, left hand differential screw, which lifts these clamp nuts up. Take the jaw out. This is a soft jaw with a relocating pin. Drops right in and locks down like that. So we don't have cap screws in the way. We can machine everything in this jaw. Now let me show you one of the best features about this vise. How to break it down for cleaning or moving it, how easy that is. The first thing we do is take out this shoulder bolt that's on the front of it. That makes sure that nothing falls out. We're going to take this out, put that right there. Right now it's in a double station, so what we're going to have to do is take the center jaw off, or pop these caps, remove the center jaw. Now the center jaw comes off, and this is pretty slick. These movable jaws, they just snap on, spring loaded, so we can just snap them off like that. And now the only thing keeping this in right now is our friction block. And right now it's in a locked state, so we're going to go to, right now it's in a friction state, and that, so when you're in a horizontal application, it doesn't drop down. And then if I continue to turn it counterclockwise, it's now in a free state. So now we can pull the whole screw assembly out and clean the vise or move it. It's a lot lighter. You don't have to move it around fully assembled. So the best thing about CARVESMART jaws, not only are they quick and easy to replace and change, but we use extrusions. We use extrusions that will ship to you up to 94 inches in length, or we'll cut them in 6 inches or 8 inches long with relocating pins. We have 5 size profiles that range in size as big as 2 inches by 3 inches or as small as 3/4 by 2 inches. Thanks for learning about the Kurt TriLock vise with CARVESMART. For more information, go to kurtworkholding.com.